My whole hand's buzzing.
Good, I'm not the only one. I was like, whoa.
Well, there's a reason why, right?
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, you said your hand felt like it was cracking?
Yeah.
Cracking?
Like cracking?
Like everywhere, like you feel like
felt a little like
cracking.
like
pins
kind of
Yeah, but it's almost like
on the inside?
yeah, it's like loud. Like to me, it's loud.
Oh, so they're more like
popping.
Yeah.
Kind of want to like lie down on that.
So
It's so weird.
put your see how far away that you can feel this.
maybe I should stand right.
There you go. So put your hand right there and see how far
one
away.
of my chakra points right now.
Did you?
I'm
Okay.
Like, it's not where I want it right now.
Oh, mine's still buzzing.
What was it? Yeah, just shake it out a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, now I know what you mean. Yeah, it's starting to.
Actually, yeah, Gary, try it with your right hand.
Still feel it. Keep on going back.
Wait a while.
Maybe like 3 feet back.
Keep going.
Well, I don't want to lose it.
It says you can go back 3 feet.
Oh, you can go back more than 3 feet. You can probably go back 20 feet. For real.
Yeah, because I can feel it. That's weird.
It feels like it's grabbing your whole hand
Like I can feel
and
it.
like pulse. You move your fingers. Can you like feel it? Like it's cracking. Like
No,
making
but I
kind
can
of
feel
a.
it right in my palm. It's like a ball.
Is it like dense? It's like dense, like you know, like really heavy. Like when you go into a water and you can feel that pressure. The pressure surrounding your hand.
Okay, so come back here.
I don't want to. Yeah?
You feel it here?
Yeah?
So 15 feet easy.
Huh.
Okay. Hold this.
That's so weird.
Okay. I'm gonna go way over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's he going? I lost sight of him.
So, how many feet was that? 50 feet? 100? 80, maybe 70 feet?
It's so weird.
You
And
just
like,
kept going.
almost like it growed. Like it goes.
Are you expanding?
Yeah. That's so weird.
70 feet away, boy.
Yeah, try with right hand.
Oh, try with my right? Oh, I just had like goosebumps just thinking about this.
It's exactly the same as when I feel on the right. Just on your left.
So you tried sleeping on this thing?
No.
Okay.
But I'm wearing the pendant of that right now.
Okay. Yeah.
That's pretty deep. I kind of felt very euphoric next to it the first week, like I was high.
Yeah, I just like charged.
Yeah.
Hey, you keep on going.
Yeah. You know, when I was way over there, I didn't think I'd feel it. I really didn't. And it's like all of a sudden, as soon as I just like, and it was like I could push it almost.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Can you feel anything from there? Not even having to put your hand touch it.
So you can put your fruits, vegetables, you know, money, jewelry, anything on that, and just supercharges it. It's like unbelievable.